Hi, I'm Zach with JAX. We all know that when mechanical parts seize up, rust, or age, a penetrating oil becomes your best friend. And what penetrating oils do is they penetrate tight areas. They dissolve rust bonds, and they provide short-term and long-term lubrication. And at JAX, we've got several different penetrating oils for your needs. Let's talk about JAX Power-Pen. Formulated with PTFE, this high-performance penetrant delivers long-lasting lubrication well after the solvent evaporates. Ideal for industrial plants, this spray excels at loosening frozen parts and lubricating locks, cables, sliding mechanisms, and much more. America's Finest is a general-purpose penetrant with a powerful high-performance solvent. It quickly cuts through rust, grease, and dirt, penetrating even the tightest of spaces. It contains moly for added enduring lubrication after the carrier evaporates. Let's talk about JAX food-grade penetrating oil. Using Micronox technology to offer antimicrobial protection for the lubricant, this oil is designed specifically for food, beverage, and pharmaceutical facilities. It lubricates, rust inhibits, and provides corrosion resistance. So whether you work on different industrial machinery, work in different food processing plants, or have just basic maintenance needs, JAX has a penetrating oil for you.